try to tell the world, whoever is looking, that if you ever have a doubt about the future of the world, that you should hang out with Model United Nations kids. My name is Lukens, and I'm an advisor at Dakota High School in Macomb, Michigan. And this is my 13th year participating in the MAMUN Conference. There is no other conference that I've attended that offers the General Assembly at the end of the week, at the end of the conference. And to me, it's one thing for you to work as an individual, research your issues, debate your issues, write a resolution in a small group of people, but it's a completely another thing to then work as a team together in a much larger room. And that is something that not only that I find really beneficial for the students to have to develop those skills, but the kids actually really love it. And it's the one thing that they talk about that really brings us back year after year. There are many things that I think sets the Magic and MAMUN conferences apart from other conferences that we've attended, but I think they all kind of fall under the umbrella of the fact that they're student-centered.
Very committed to letting this be a student-run conference.
I think the fact that it is heavily centered around having the kids do the heavy lifting, that it's not about us as advisors, it's not about the staff. They're great, they help us with all kinds of stuff, they make sure that we know what we're doing, they make sure the kids are safe, but they want the kids to be the ones who dictate and kind of direct where debate will go, how debate's actually going to happen.
We don't have staff running around telling delegates that, Haiti would never say this, or Jamaica might want to do this. We don't have staff members looking at resolutions and saying, oh, this is never going to work. We let students figure that out. And that was one thing. We also really let the students drive the debate.